Hi, good morning, one and all. So, this academic year, 10th class, ప్లాన్డ్ ప్రకారం ఏ మంత్లో ఏ చాప్టర్ చదవాలి అనేది ముందుగా ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని చదవండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు సక్సెస్ అవుతారు. సడన్గా అన్నీ ఒకేసారి చదవడం, ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్లు చదవడం అలాంటి ప్రాసెస్ ఉండదు. దిస్ ఇయర్ డెఫినెట్లీ ద paper pattern will be giving in creative style. So what you expected, what are the things are important, that things maybe it will not come from your own answer only, you will get good marks. So that you should receive concept very clearly, then only you write answer in examination. That is the very very important thing. And also this process of question paper will develop your thinking power. So definitely you adapt in the way of thinking for the solution any problem coming in your life. Also definitely if you think in your own then only you solve the problems. According to that only the education system, the process will run from now onwards. So that my dear students, and also as well as parents and teachers, so that according to this you can improve the creative thinking from the student, then only you justify the students. In that knowledge only they will get quality of life. So if you give the quality of life, definitely he will improve in his life. Okay, either up to 10th class don't think for the student. Okay, you should think about the life of the student, then only that is the well teaching profession will success. The student will gain up to end of their life, whatever the problems will come he will get the solution. That type of way of thinking if you give, definitely the job is wonderful. Okay, so these points students should follow as well as teachers should follow, then only success will come. Okay, సో ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది మీకు అర్థమైంటే వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. బాయ్.